This is interesting. I'm the guy that's watching you guys build this. How's it going? Very nice. That's great. So it looks like they're going to be putting an elevator shaft right there. I think that's why that's there. There's like great, looks like they're running all the plumbing and the wiring all at the same time, which is fascinating. These guys are actually pros. I admire them a lot. And they're using actually excellent wood. If you look at the quality of the wood that's on the exterior here, it's actually probably like some of the best wood, I've seen. Like the way that they've been building it, they've been building it really nice.